The High Value Manufacturing Catapult is all about bridging the gap between business and academia. We can work together to drive industry forward, and that is epitomised here at the AMRC. A huge high five to AMRC on celebrating 20 years. The High Value Manufacturing Catapult is its baby brother in terms of 10 years behind, but what an amazing 20 years it's been in terms of the way it's worked with industry and really revolutionised the site here at Rotherham. Before I had the honour of taking on this job at the Catapult, I used to work for Airbus, and the AMRC was absolutely a friend and a partner of Airbus, so much so that we were delighted when the AMRC opened a site right next door to Airbus's facilities. And that is the kind of industry collaboration that's so important for the future. The Catapult is now working on its new strategy. AMRC are right at the heart of that. It's all about collaboration, about one front door to industry, about working with the amazing skills and people we've got working with us and with the universities who are our partners. I'm really looking forward to the future. We, combined, have the biggest manufacturing capability in Europe, and that is something to be built on. And the AMRC is absolutely part of that future.